Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple ghost emoji. This one is by Apple. So let's just start at the top by drawing a bell shape. We'll curve out the top of the head first. Start with a half circle, and then we'll finish the bell shape by starting to curve out once you're past the halfway point, and over here as well. And then let's do the bottom by curving in from the end, curve up, and then you'll have a nice curve at the bottom there in the center. Curve up and then finish off the right side. About halfway up will be the mouth, so let's just draw a line going straight across from one side to the other, and then start drawing the smile. Don't go all the way yet, because in the middle then will be the tongue. So we'll draw the left side of the tongue here first. Just draw a line going down, and we'll draw a U shape line from one side to the other, and we'll continue this up with a curve meeting at the middle there, and then a line that's going to go down, but we'll use a thinner marker for that part right down the middle. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So his right eye will be a little smaller, so let's just start forming that and fill it in. Make it as circular as you can. And then his left eye will be a little bit bigger, quite a bit bigger actually, probably 3 times the size. So let's just start by kind of forming it, and then you can finish it off to make it as circular as you can, and we'll just go ahead and fill that in. Okay, so now let's draw the arms. The arms are going to be going upward, so let's start at the shoulder and just draw a curve that starts to go up, and then start curving the end and start coming back and making it wider as you get back to the body. Let's do the other side. Now we have the right arm drawn. Let's keep an eye on it so we can try to make his left arm as even as possible, as similar as possible. So now we can fill in the mouth, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna stylize these lines a little bit and make him a little bit thicker, probably at the bottom. So that's it. This was the Apple ghost emoji. Very simple and very easy. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.